How to turn on or off comments on your TikTok app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to turn on or off comments on your TikTok app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your TikTok and now go to your profile and click on those three lines up there. Now click on setting and privacy and click on the second option, which is privacy. Now you have safety options. The option number 2, which is comments, click on it. And here you can limit who can comment on your videos, and to turn off or on, just click on no one and you can turn off this option at all. Or you can choose followers that you follow back or just everyone. Easy and quick, like I told you, and this is how you can limit your comments users. Hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to subscribe and like.